Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel that is Study with Pallavi Yolekar. Today we are going to see a very interesting topic that is sole proprietorship and features of sole proprietorship. Now, what do you mean by sole proprietorship? That is, a sole proprietorship is a form of business that is owned, managed and controlled by an individual. We can say it is a one-man show. We can see the definition James Limdy has given the definition that is sole proprietorship is an informal type of business owned by a one person. Now we will see the features of sole proprietorship. The first feature of sole proprietorship is single ownership. Now, what do you mean by single ownership? A sole proprietorship is wholly owned by one individual. The individual supplies the total capital from his own wealth or from borrowed funds. That is known as single ownership. Now, the second, that is one man control. The second feature is one man control. How? See, the proprietor alone takes all the decisions pertaining to the business. He is not required to consult anybody. Ownership and management are vested in some person. Some person may be employed to the help the owner, but unlimited control lies with him. So that is known as one man control. Now the third, that is no separate legal entity. Now, how it is no separate legal entity? Because a sole proprietorship has no legal entity because it is separate from that of its owner. The law makes no distinction between the proprietor and his business. The business and the owner exist together. If the owner dies or business insolvent, the business is dissolved. The proprietor and his business are one and the same. So that is the reason we can say it is no separate legal entity. Now the fourth feature, that is unlimited liability. The proprietor is personally liable for all the debts of the business. In case the assets are insufficient to meet its debt, the personal property of the proprietor can be attached. So that is unlimited liability. Now the fifth one, that is no profit sharing. The sole proprietor is alone and he is entitled to all the profits and losses of the business. He bears the complete risk and there is nobody to share the profits or losses. Now we will go to the next, that is small size of operation. The scale of operations carried on by a sole proprietorship is generally small. A small trader can arrange limited funds and managerial ability, so that we can say the area of operation is generally local and limited. And the last one, that is no legal formalities. Now in that we can say no legal formalities are required to start, manage and dissolve sole trader business. Only a license is necessary in certain type of business. Now we have seen all the features of the sole proprietorship. Friends, I hope you have understood what do you mean by sole proprietorship and features of sole proprietorship. If you have liked the video, like the channel and subscribe for the more videos. Thank you.